everyone, welcome back to the Hezire YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about our latest wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones, and we have two models, H-Fones OE-1 and H-Fones OE-2. Both models offer excellent performance and features, and the only differences are really the design and the color. So obviously H-Fones OE-1 is a slightly rounder ear cap design and all in black finish, whereas OE-2 is slightly more oval shaped and in the urban camo finish. Just to highlight a couple of the other notable differences between the two models, H-Fones OE-2 features a balanced EQ with equal mids, highs and bass. So it features one sound profile, whereas OE-1 in black has a balanced profile, but in addition to that, it actually has a bass boost switch. And this gives you an extra boost in the sub-bass frequency. And the bass boost switch is located on the right earphone. Just tap it once. In terms of similarities, both have high definition immersive audio. They both have a very good quality, HD quality mic, and they both feature dual device connectivity or multipoint. This allows you to connect with two devices simultaneously. For example, two mobile phones, or maybe a laptop or a tablet and a mobile phone. The models also feature built-in remote and volume control. So obviously volume control, track skip, play pause, answering and ending calls. They're both foldable in design. They both have a rapid charging feature. So when the H-Phones are dead, you can charge them up for 10 minutes and that gives you 3 hours of additional playtime for the OE-2 camouflage version, or 5 hours of playtime from 10 minutes charge for the OE-1 in black. They also both feature a low latency chipset, 60 milliseconds. This allows you to play mobile gaming wirelessly without any lag. In terms of specifications, both models are using the same Bluetooth chipset, which is Bluetooth 5.3, and they have a wireless range in open area of 15 meters. And both of the models also feature a full range 40mm dynamic driver. OE-1 features a 400 milliamp lithium polymer battery, which gives you 55 hours of playtime. That's at 50% volume, whereas OE-2 has a 300 milliamp lithium polymer battery, giving you 40 hours at 50% volume. Another great selling point for both the models is Hezire's 24 months warranty. After unboxing both models, you can see, let's start with OE-1 on the right-hand side. You get the H-Phones OE-1 headphones here. You get a USB to Type-C charging cable and also a user manual. And with regards to OE-2, you get obviously the headphones. You get a USB charging cable, USB A to C. You also get an auxiliary cable, a stereo aux cable, because on OE-2, it also features an aux jack. So you can also use this with non-Bluetooth devices and without using the battery as well. Of course, you get the user manual, and both user manuals are in English and Arabic. Okay, let's have a closer look at the headphones. So as you can see, the ear caps are rotatable. They're also foldable. You've got an adjustable headband on both sides. In terms of the controls are located on the right-hand ear cup. You've got power on, play pause button. You've got volume and track skip buttons either side. And then you have a USB-C charging input here. On the front side, on the right, you have a bass boost switch. If you press that once, it will give you some extra sub-bass frequencies. And now taking a look at OE-2, as you can see, really nice camouflage design with black, twistable, also foldable, also features fully adjustable headband as well. And then the buttons are also located on the right-hand side. You have the power switch here. I think you just flick that to turn it on. You've got the charging Type-C charging input there. This is the aux jack. So this is if you want to use it with non-Bluetooth devices and you don't need to power on, you can just plug in the supplied headphones and then plug that into another non-Bluetooth device. And then you've got play pause and track skip volume control either side of the play pause. Hi, just going to show you how they look on. So I'll just put the H-Phones OE-1 on. Firstly, I can say they're extremely comfortable. Obviously, I've got them adjusted using the adjustable headband. The ear cushions are really, really soft and super comfortable. And the other thing that I'll say is they're really noise isolating. So you get a lot of passive noise cancellation. These aren't active noise cancellation headphones, but I would say with the passive noise cancellation, it blocks out majority of the background noise anyway. I'll just show you what they look like from the side. So that's the left-hand side. And then I'll show you the right-hand side. And right-hand side, you have all of the buttons. So you've got the conveniently located, quite easy to operate there. And then you have the bass boost switch here on the front. And now just to show you how the H-Fones OE-2 look, they're also very, very comfortable over-ear design, noise isolating, and they look really, really cool in this camouflage finish. I'll just show you the left and the right-hand side as well, and even look good around the neck as well. So yeah, really fashionable. I think this is definitely for younger, more trendy people, but both of them are extremely comfortable. They sound amazing, and just great headphones. Go and buy them today. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and let us know in the comments below which model you prefer, OE-1 in black or OE-2 in camo.